Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Post-harvest losses are a significant issue for agricultural systems around the world, leading to crop wastage and lower sale prices. These losses occur after the crops are harvested but before they reach the consumer, and they can affect both the quantity and quality of produce. These losses are particularly severe in developing countries but can also impact agricultural systems in more developed regions.
So as we know, farmers who do a lot of hard work in order to have some income through their produce. So recently we visited to near Shirdi to Bableshwar, where we saw farmers are giving lot of effort in generating the fresh produce, but when it comes to the selling of the product, they are losing lot of produce because of the post-harvest losses. And finally, when they are selling to the market, it is coming like they have to because of post-harvest they are selling for a rupee, or they are just discarding. So from there it came into my mind, why not? And these tomatoes, when we are talking about what happens, like now tomato price is like sometime it takes the peak and sometime it is like 2 rupees or 3 rupees. So why cannot we store these tomatoes? And even farmers want to store the produce, and when they get the right price, that time they will bring it to the market. So we got an idea, why not to have some innovative technology to help them, that they can store their produce, and when there is a right market, when they can get a right amount of money for their produce, then that time they will sell in the market.
The need for novel and cost-effective technologies that delay the ripening process of tomatoes was critical, especially to address post-harvest losses and extend shelf life. The startup, Fruvitech Private Limited, rose to the occasion and developed a solution.
Ethylene is a gaseous plant hormones and is the key signal compound involved directly in the regulation of the ripening process. In tomatoes, we developed a novel and cost-effective technology which is based on the formulation for delaying the ripening process of agriculture produce. The formulation can be integrated into a device for efficient storage of tomatoes during the post-harvest. In this project, we designed a device which can be used to store tomatoes for longer period with enhanced shelf life. This is the technology which has become alternative to the refrigeration.
Fruvitech worked on designing a device for storing tomatoes using environmentally friendly materials and processes is crucial for reducing post-harvest losses while minimizing environmental impact. This device aimed to preserve freshness, delay ripening, and reduce spoilage by optimizing environmental conditions like temperature, humidity, and airflow.
So we developed a device which can help in the storage of tomatoes and to just reduce the post-harvest losses. So this device is basically we have made from recycled plastic, and this device can with smaller to the longer like 200 tons capacity we have made, and in this we can keep our formulation and we can store at different places. And also we are having a device for transportation purpose, which during the transportation we can use the devices.
Let us have a look at how the device works.
So here is our innovative device which we have developed. So what is this? This is device is made from the recycled plastic. So what we have done, we have stored these tomatoes inside this, and you can see here is a solar panel connected to this device. What we actually do, this is the device. Inside, when you see, there is a propeller fan rotation system inside kept, and the tomatoes are kept inside. And here we have kept our formulation. So this is our formulation inside kept. So what happens when we are closing this device, and when the fan is running inside, which is powered by this solar system, the formulation is generated throughout the boxes, in which is keeping the tomatoes, which is helping the tomatoes to not ripen. So we are having like this, we are keeping the two devices, like this is the control in which formulation is not there, and this is the with our formulation.
The key to designing an environmentally friendly tomato storage device was in combining eco-friendly materials with innovative technologies that preserve freshness and delay ripening. This will positively impact sustainability, energy efficiency, and cost effectiveness, particularly for small farmers who may have limited resources.